Hi everyone, Carol Brightville. So you're getting ready to build your teacher webpage. Have you put much thought into it? You really should, because it's a very valuable tool, and you want to use this tool to make it more engaging so that your parents and your students want to come back to it over and over again. And here are some specific elements that can make your teacher webpage more engaging. The first element is a welcome message. This is a personalized message on the homepage of your website, and it's created to give a welcoming and friendly atmosphere for parents and for your students. You can see on this teacher webpage that I created, it says, "I'm thrilled to have you here and have the opportunity to share my passion for teaching with you." This is the introduction to your page. You want to make it so that the parents and students feel like they want to come back here and to get more information from you. Our next element is course information. You want clear and concise information about things about your course. Some of the course information that you would want to put would be a syllabus. A syllabus is a guide to your course and what you expect of your students over the course of that quarter, that marking period. Other information could be your class schedule. Monday we have art, Tuesday we have music, just so that everyone is prepared and they know what's going to happen each day of the week. A grading criteria connects to your courses, whether it's a numbered system, a lettered system. It's good for the students to know how they're going to be graded. And you can also list out the weekly assignments, what's going to happen each day of the week. The next element would be a student showcase. You want to include a section that showcases your students' work, and it will help motivate your students and give them a sense of pride in their achievements. And parents always love to see how well their kids are doing. Another area to have on your teacher webpage would be multimedia. Multimedia can consist of tutorials that you've created and you want to have your students watch them. It can even be an online quiz. Multimedia is a wide range of elements. The next element would be a contact page. And what's really nice, I use a Google site, and Google Forms embeds very nicely into the Google site. And you can have the contact form so that when a parent or a student contacts you, you will get an email right in your inbox. It's a good way to stay in touch with your parents and with your students. And the last element that I recommend would be resource links. Links to additional resources such as articles, videos, online learning tools can provide students with additional learning opportunities and help them stay more engaged with the course materials. I hope you enjoyed these tips on how to make an engaging teacher webpage. And if you did like these tips, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Have a great day, everyone.